It all starts with an idea, but you never know where the idea may end up. Ideas take flight and spread. They can change, they can grow, and connect us. And sometimes things aren't always what they seem. In this fast-moving world, good news can move at the speed of light. So here at your school, we keep you informed. Welcome to the Mullica Morning Howl.
Check out the weather, what's it like outside? Check out the ground, check out the sky. What word would you use to describe what you see? What is the temperature, how many degrees?
Hey guys, this is Storm Tracker Audrey reporting for Mullica Morning Weather. Today is a high of 49 and a low of 30, and it's snowy. Here's a weather fact. Did you know lightning creates so much heat that when it hits the ground, it could melt solid rock? See you guys tomorrow, and happy National Everything You Say Is Wrong Day.
Wrong!
Check out the weather, what's it like outside?
Got it? In 3, 2.
Good morning, Mullica. Today is Thursday, March 15, 2018. Here are your morning announcements.
Chorus students, chorus will not meet today. Our next rehearsal will be Tuesday, March 20th. Check Google Classroom for more updates.
Any 3rd through 8th grade students interested in racing in the Kids Fit Final Mile on Saturday, April 14th. The start time is 11:30 a.m. Please pick up a race form from Mrs. Tomasello ASAP and register online. Good luck, Coyotes!
Student council members, please check Google Classroom for important announcements from the meeting on Wednesday.
There is an away volleyball game today at Ventnor. The game starts at 3:45 p.m.
There's a PTA meeting in the library at 7 p.m.
The Positively Powerful Girls Club will meet today in room 24 with Mrs. Calabrese. New members are welcome.
There's a Mullica's Got Talent practice today after school in the cafeteria. This is the last rehearsal before dress rehearsal. Please come prepared.
Yesterday's assembly to honor the 17 victims of Stoneman Douglas High School was very powerful. Special thanks to all school administrators, Mullica Township Police, Jackie Dolsky for creating the banner, and Rebecca Alback for such a moving, inspirational speech. Keep up the spirit, Coyotes! This week's Women's History Spotlight is on Wangari Maathai for her contributions to women's rights, the environment, and for peace. She was a Kenyan activist and Nobel laureate.
She founded the Green Belt movement that is focused on planting trees and environmental conservation. That's all we have for you today. Thanks for joining us, Coyotes. Enjoy your day. Hasta la vista!